The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video that is out on social media, and in my point of view, this video, it's a disturbing one. You see me? This video made me ask a lot of questions like, what's going on in Jamaica? Why is it that so many persons are angry at the police? You see me? And, you know, other things me have to ask as well. You know? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video shows of police officers that were at a certain location in the country of Jamaica. And there was a lot of persons around while the police officers were there, right? And some of the persons that were there, you know, they were yelling at the police officers and they were being disrespectful and using harsh languages and, you know, all kind of things, viewers and subscribers. Now, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. And my question is, why is it that so many persons are angry at the police? You know what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this video is out on social media where a lot of questions have been asked and a lot of things have been said as well. Alright? Now I'm going to show you the video, but before I show you the video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Alright, so here's the video right about now. You can also let me know what you think. Take a look and observe.